Somebody put a blindfold on and put a pen on the map, and they said this is county and this is city.
Hopefully people can
Can I ask you a question?
What's up, man?
So with no units citywide, and we're waiting on CHP. What are we waiting for? I'm just taking notes of the call. So I just want to know what's going on. Why do we have so many units standing by?
We have subject detained, possibly wanted parole release, and the collision occurred in the county. The Sacramento Sheriff's Department does not take vehicle collisions. CHP takes them in the county.
So
He's in our custody right now, so I can't let him go without being relieved by a
CHP
highway patrol officer.
And then I need CHP to come here and make sure that they agree with me that it is in the county and not in the city. Because if I drive away and go on another call, and then they're like, it's actually city, get PD back out here, and now I'm tied up on something else, then this whole scene sits here even longer.
see, so as we just look at it like this, that's what I like to know is to ask these questions. As units standing by, different. And can I ask this? Where does that line cross from when you guys go into Sac County into Sheriff?
Back of my wheels
The back of your wheels?
is city.
Wow.
And then
So we're
to
that.
the intersection, so half of my car is in the city, and half of it is in the county. No, actually, all of my cars in the county. Half of his car is in the city, and half is in the county.
Oh wow.
It goes right
And,
down the road.
and the roadway splits in half as well. So the eastbound lanes are ours, the county, and the westbound lanes would be the city.
Wow. Okay.
Up to a certain point, and then there's a bunch of weird
Yeah,
maps.
it's
So
all jig-jaggy.
You guys.
somebody put a blindfold on and put a pen on the map, and they said this is county and this is city.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, man.
So I can confirm that there is somebody in the back of the vehicle. Like they said, it is true. So we have 2 sheriff units and 2 SAC PD units. And what do you call it? The SAC PD units are, I'm hoping my hand wasn't covering that microphone the whole time. But one is a community officer and one is a patrol officer.